Hello everyone, welcome back to another Binance tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to find your transaction hash ID, also known as the transaction ID. First, open your Binance app and go to Wallet, then select Fiat and Spot. On the right side, tap Transaction History. Here you'll see both crypto and cash tabs. Choose the one you need. By default, Binance shows deposits within the past month. If you don't see anything, adjust the filters like date range, deposit or withdrawal, and the coin. Remember, you can only search up to 3 months at a time. Once your transaction appears, tap on it. This opens the details page where you'll see the transaction hash ID, the amount, the fee, and the status. If you need more info, just tap the small I icon to expand the details. And that's it. That's how you find your transaction ID or hash on Binance. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.